Aloha everyone, this is Rick Kirkham of BusyBusinessPromotions.com, and today I'm going to read a web page for you so that you can multitask and do other things. And I'm going to talk about Bunny's Bistro Lao Cooking Lessons in Ewa Beach Hawaii, right here on Oahu. And let's just get right to it, and you're going to hear me make some mistakes, and you're going to hear me ad lib, and just look at that as more entertainment value for you. In-person Lao cooking classes now available in Ewa Beach, Hawaii. Are you and your family tired of the same old dinner routine? Is that special person's birthday coming up? Have you been thinking about spicing up your cooking skills? Bunny Bistro Lao Cooking Classes is your answer. Bunny's in-person classes are approximately 3.5 to 4 hours and can be tailored for beginners to more experienced cooks. These hands-on, fun-filled courses will emphasize the art of fine Lao cooking in an enjoyable, relaxing, and fun environment in Bunny's home in Ewa Beach, Hawaii, right here on Oahu. And folks, I've seen a few of the short videos, and it really does look like they're having fun. So if you want to have a great time and learn how to cook and eat some really good food, you're talking about going to the right place. And I have an airplane going over me right now, and I apologize that I am not in a soundproof room. So once again, more entertainment value. Imagine the look on everyone's faces when you surprise them with a homemade Lao feast. Learn how to create authentic Lao cuisine with Bunny Bistro Lao Cooking Classes and transform your everyday meals into extraordinary experiences. Bunny's Bistro Lao Cooking Classes will supply the ingredients for all the recipes. Just bring your taste buds. Whether you choose a group of 4 people or private setting, our hands-on lessons make mastering authentic Lao cuisine a breeze. Bunny's Bistro Lao Cooking Classes provide all the fresh ingredients, all the cooking tools you'll need, and expert guidance to prepare your very own unforgettable 4-course Lao meal. Just show up ready to cook and eat. I definitely would not be stopping by a fast food restaurant before this class. So who is your Chef Bunny of Bunny's Bistro Lao Cooking Classes? And Bunny, I'm sorry if I say this wrong. Bunau Kamakun, known as Bunny, owned his restaurant and I am going to say this wrong, I apologize. Someone correct me maybe in a comment. Vientiane, Laos, for years before he moved to the United States. He's Lao native and learned Lao cooking as a child in the capital city of, and I have to say that again, Vientiane, Laos. Bunny spent many years helping his mother and other family members prepare everyday authentic Lao meals for his family. In your in-person cooking classes, you'll have fun learning the difference between Thai food and Lao food dishes. They're similar, but there's a difference. You're going to enjoy the difference. Similarities between these Asian dishes. How to choose and blend the proper ingredients for a great Lao meal. Useful Lao cooking techniques. Flavorful Lao recipes with easy and fun steps. The true taste of authentic Lao food. What you'll get when you take Bunny Bistro Lao Cooking Classes. printed recipes so you can recreate your delicious dishes again and again for the whole family to enjoy. Personalized, hands-on, step-by-step guidance from Chef Bunny, ensuring you master each technique. The unique experience of cooking with authentic Lao utensils with an exclusive opportunity to purchase them for your own kitchen. A to-go container. Yes, leftovers. A to-go container for your delicious leftovers. Perfect for sharing with others. And I'm telling you, when you share this with others, you're going to be the most popular person in the room, and they're going to want to come to the cooking classes as well. An authentic, home-cooked, 4-course Lao meal proudly prepared by you. I almost said for you, but you're doing the cooking and you're doing the eating. Free, unlimited water, soda, and juice. What you can expect in your Lao cooking class. A warm welcome will greet you in Lao, and I'm not going to try and say it. Maybe I will. Okay. Sabadi. I probably said it wrong. I'm sorry. Traditional entry. Please remove your shoes before entering, as is customary in many Asian homes. Feel free to bring socks, as the floors can be cool. Meet your fellow foodies. Connect with your hosts and other guests. Culinary journey. Enjoy a brief presentation about the dishes we'll be making and their Lao origins. Ingredient insights. Learn about the unique ingredients used in each recipe. Chef's demonstration. Watch Chef Bunny prepare the dishes. Then it's your turn to create. Savor your creations. Enjoy the delicious meal you've prepared alongside your new friends. What days can I take Lao cooking classes? Starting Monday, August 18th, 2025. Put that on your calendar, folks. Monday, August 18th, 2025, Lao cooking classes will be held at Bunny's home in Ewa Beach right here on Oahu every Monday and Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Be aware classes may go a little longer at no additional charge to you. And a representative of Bunny will email you the exact details. Obviously, since this is his home, he doesn't want to put the address online or anything like that, right? What's the tuition for Bunny Bistro Lao cooking classes? Tuition is $175 per student for each lesson. Because of the limited class size and expense of preparing for each cooking class, there are no refunds for tuition. That sounds great. What's the menu? What do I get to cook and eat? Mondays, the recipe will be papaya salad. This is basically a papaya that is made from an unripe papaya that is shredded. It's also a staple food for the Lao people. It's typically composed of papaya, sour lime, hot serrano pepper, fish sauce, and a little bit of sugar. The color of your final product will depend on your taste for spiciness and other ingredients. Sticky rice. Sticky rice or Laotian, I hope I said that right, Laotian? Sticky rice is a central Lao culture festivities and cuisine compared to regular rice or jasmine rice that Laos neighboring countries enjoy frequently. Also known as sweet rice or glutinous rice, but contains no gluten, by the way. It's a staple food and is usually eaten with each meal, earning the Lao people the nickname, Luk Kao Noi, meaning children of sticky rice. And once again, I'm sorry if I said that. Bunny will help you with that phrase if you want to learn how to say that better. This rice is starchier and has a bouncier, heavier texture compared to long grain rice. The rice is eaten with hands and not utensils. And for the entree, chicken larb. Larb is a meat salad consisting of ground meat, herbs, chilies, fish sauce, lime juice, and toasted ground rice. Mmm. Larb can be made with other meats such as lamb, duck, pork, or beef, but chicken is most popular. Little bits of crispy ground meat are flavored with fish sauce, bright lime juice, and lots of herbs. The addition of toasted ground rice gives the salad a delightful crunch along with a buttery nuttiness that contrasts with the zip of the lime. The chilies give the larb heat and used according to your taste for heat. And shrimp Pad-Lao. Might be Pad-Lao. I think it's Pad-Lao, sorry. And shrimp Pad-Lao. I know I should know these, right? The dish is a saucy Lao noodle with egg and sugar. Unique to this Lao noodle stir fry is this addition of egg. It's not just scrambled, but instead the omelet is sliced into thin, flavorful strips to give the Lao dish an extra structure and more taste. The more popular meat addition is either shrimp or chicken. Now doesn't those meals look good there? You guys will be cooking each one of these things and you get to eat them. Wow. Okay, Thursday the recipe will be papaya salad. Okay, once again, we talked about papaya salad already. Sticky rice, which we talked about. And the entree, sweet and sour fish. The flavors of this fish recipe are inspired by the classic Chinese sweet and sour pork. Traditionally, that dish features stir-fried pork in a sweet and sour sauce. This version, however, draws from Lao cuisine, where fried fish with various sauces is common. The sweet and sour sauce in this recipe uses fish sauce and lime for a Lao twist and pineapple for tanginess and other fresh vegetables which combine add a zesty flavor. And beef salad. Laotian meat salad, more commonly known as nam tok, and one of the staff people that I talk to on a regular basis said this word, I think I'm saying it right, nam tok, is a simple yet complex flavored meat salad. It's generally made with sliced or diced grilled beef and tossed with its juices, lime juice, fish sauce, aromatics, herbs, and toasted rice powder. And there they are right there. So maybe you want to come Mondays and Thursdays. I mean, you have to eat both days anyway, right? So limited times only, and there's only 4 students per class. So this is not some big class with 30 people in it where you're paying $175 and you're not getting hardly any attention. There's only 4 people in this class, folks. It is so well worth it. Okay, and once again, it's a non-refundable $175 per lesson when you sign up. So get started with your cooking class tuition. You'll be directed to the class calendar after submitting your tuition. Because this is a private location, you'll receive an email from Bunny or a staff member with the exact location in Ewa Beach of your Lao cooking class. And here we can go and see what classes and times are available. You'll be able to scroll down and take a look at the calendar itself. No need to do that. So get signed up for these classes. I am telling you, your taste buds and your family will love you for it. Aloha. Enjoy your meals.